Hey guys, so let's discuss new problem from linked list, which is called sort a linked list of zeros, ones and twos. So you have given one linked list which has only zeros, ones and twos. Okay, so you need to sort such that all the zeros will come first and then ones and then second. Okay, so how you will solve it? See, take three variables. Okay, three nodes actually. So three node would be 0D, then 1D, and then 2D. Okay, and the initial value will be -1 for those three nodes. Okay, now now this is your head. Okay, so current is pointing to your head initially, and then when current is not equal to null, we will iterate the list. So what you will do, see, if current ka data is equal to 0, okay, so what you need to do, 0 ka next is equal, and yeah, one more thing, so now 0D is this one, na? So 0 is pointing to this, 1 is pointing to this, and 2 is pointing to this. Just create a reference, okay, and assign these values to those reference. And now if it is 0, then what you need to do, 0 ka next make this current. Okay, so this was 0, 0 ka next is current, and current equal to current ka next. Okay, 0 equal to 0 ka next. So now 0 ka next is 0 current here, right? So now this one will become 0. Okay, and let me write it properly. Okay, so now this one will become 0. Okay, and then currently this is current. Okay, now while current is not equal to null, okay, you need to run this condition, then current equal to current ka next. So current will point to this. Now again this is 1, so what you need to do for 1 ka next equal to current, right? So 1 ka next equal to current, and 1 equal to 1 ka next, and now 1 will point to this. Okay, and then current equal to current ka next, so current is pointing here. Now again 0 encountered. Okay, so for 0 what you need to do, 0 ka next equal to current, but now here our 0 currently here is pointing to this one. Okay, so 0 ka next is equal to this current. Okay, and 0 equal to 0 ka next, so now 0 will become this, and current equal to current ka next, so current will point to this one. Okay, let me remove unnecessary code. So current will go from here, current, no current, no current. Okay, now current is pointing to this, 0 is pointing to this, 1 is pointing to this. Okay, now what you need to do, again this is 1, so 1 ka next equal to current, so this one was 1, right? So now its next will be current, and 1 equal to 1 ka next, so now 1 is pointing to this, and current equal to current ka next, so now current will be pointing to this. Okay, now 2D. Okay, now 2 came, so what we need to do for 2, 2 ka next equal to current, so currently 2 is pointing this, so 2 ka next is pointing to current, and 2 equal to 2 ka current, so now 2 will become this, and current equal to current ka next, so current will become this. Okay, now it is 0. Okay, so 0 ka next equal to current, so last 0 was here, so 0 ka next is equal to current, 0 equal to 0 ka next, so 0 will become this, and current equal to current ka next, so current will become null. Okay, this condition is false, current is not equal to null, this condition is false. So now can you see what you have? Let me write it down properly. Okay, so you have one 0D, okay, which is -1, which is pointing to this 0. After that this one is pointing to this 0, and this one is pointing to this 0, and this one is pointing to null. Okay, then you have 1D, which is -1. Okay, so 1D is pointing to this one. Okay, and this one is pointing to this one. Okay, and this one is pointing to 2. Actually, we will check that later. Now you have 2D, which is having -1, so 2D is pointing to this 2. Okay, and this 2 is pointing to this 0. Actually, that doesn't matter what it is pointing at the end, because we will adjust here. Okay, if 0 ka next, what you will put in 0 ka next? Okay, right now your 0 is here, your 1 is here, and your 2 is here. Okay, so 0 ka next, now you need to connect these list. Okay, 0 ko 1 se connect karo, and 1 will be connected to 2. So now 0 ka next equal to, if 1D next is not equal to null, then 1D next. Okay, so this one is 1D, and this one is the next. Okay, so 0 ka next is equal to 1D ka next, and then 1 next equal to 2D ka next, so this is 1 next, and this is 2D, so 2D ka next is this one, so this 1 next will be 2D. Okay, and then 2 next equal to null, so 2 was pointing here, and this one will point to null. Okay, so this one will go, this one will go. Okay, and here this one will be null. So now, and then what you will return, you will return 0D ka next, means this one. So that's it. Thank you.